this will go to the Supreme Court. And it does give me, I will say, I'm not usually hopeful when it comes to things like the Supreme Court. I'm really not, because you have too many squishes in there. John Roberts, I don't trust him at all. Not at all. Brett Kavanaugh, I don't love him. I don't feel like he's like super based, always going to be on the right side of things. He hasn't really shown that. Neil Gorsuch. So it's really like Alito and Clarence Thomas that I usually have just full-fledged confidence in. But this ruling was 6-3. So it does give me a little bit of hope that they wouldn't want to allow it to temporarily take effect if they were planning on reversing it later. Maybe I'm just being optimistic for no reason, but I do believe that this court will eventually, the Supreme Court will eventually allow Texas to defend its own borders. We'll have to, wait and see how long that takes to play out. But, all of this court case is brewing. It's obviously being set up, whatever the ruling is, to go directly up to the Supreme Court and get that ruling. Again, how sad is it that we even have to watch that play out, that we even have to watch Joe Biden's federal, government, Joe Biden's DOJ, be weaponized against our state for trying to protect not just us, but the rest of America. How sad is that? But that is the way it is for right now. But meanwhile, as we're waiting for that to play out in the courts, it's getting really tough to watch. It's all coming to a head down there at the southern border with the Texas National Guard, really honestly putting their safety and their lives on the line again because of the Joe Biden regime.